And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 56. Let me show you the two remaining Shapebuilder 2 features that I haven't talked about. Create a rectangle, 2 circles. I give them different colors. Select it all, activate the Shapebuilder tool, and you can see them at the right side. First one is for replacing. This simply means that if I use the add function right there, click on the center position and I confirm, everything else will be deleted. So whatever I don't use in the Shapebuilder tool will be automatically deleted if this is checked. And if I uncheck it, I use add again on the center position. This keeps everything and it also keeps the object in the background. So let me do it again. I select it all, use the Shapebuilder tool, add. I check this one for replacing. I click on the outsides of the circle and the inside of the rectangle. We get these 3 shapes because these are the 3 clicks that I've done. I'll do it again, but this time I uncheck right here the icon and you can see we get the 3 elements, and on top we keep the original that we have used to create these 3. The other option looks like an eye icon and it seems like it does nothing, but that's because I don't have a background object. Let me create another rectangle right here. I'll put it to the bottom, so behind the other 3 objects. Now hold Shift, left click on the 3 objects, but not on the background. So this is what I've got selected. I use the Shapebuilder tool, and now the background has vanished because right here I've got it set to 0, and you can blend that back in. So this option is simply for the background that's not selected. Should it be visible or not? Should it fade out? You can set that via the slider. And these were the 2 remaining features of the Shapebuilder tool. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.